We just had our EAP public workshop on the topic of managing aggressive and self-injurious behaviours in children with autism. This workshop was presented by our board-certified behaviour analyst all the way from the USA, Carrie Hoops, who is also the director of Wisconsin Early Autism Project Green Bay. This workshop was held at Help University, and we had almost 100 members of the public in attendance. We also launched our Autism Awareness merchandise in the lead up to World Autism Awareness Month in April, with all proceeds going towards the HOPE project.
Today's workshop was focusing on managing challenging and self-injurious behaviors, and we focused on identifying the functions of the behavior. And the main point that we wanted to make was to make sure that people could identify what the child's trying to communicate when they're engaging in that behavior. And once we've identified what they're trying to communicate, then we're looking at proactive strategies, teaching strategies, and reactive strategies to help reduce that challenging behavior.
I found it amazing. It was really good because it was practical, it was interactive, and in true ABA style, you guys broke it down into really simple blocks that was easy to understand for people who had no experience, So I thought that was amazing.